Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable ping on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable ping on Windows 10 computer, go to search. In search type CMD, click on command prompt. In command prompt type ipconfig. Now hit enter. This is my IP address 10.17.32.250, and now minimize command prompt. Insert type firewall and click on Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Now click on inbound rules. Scroll down. Here you will find file and printer sharing echo request and icmp v4. You will find here three rules, and just select that rule and click on disable rule, and next one click on disable rule, and then next one, and it's also disabled. The three rules, for one for public profile, one for private profile, and another one for domain. I have disabled three rules, and look, enabled no here. Now close Windows Defender Firewall. Now I am going to my another computer. It's Windows 11. Here in search type CMD, click on command prompt. Here type ipconfig, hit enter, and this computer's IP address is 10.17.32.6. Now I am going to ping my Windows 10 computer. Ping 10.17.32.250. Now hit enter. Look, request timeout. That means ping is disabled on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.